Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi ma'am, good day. I am Lilani B. Kisaot. I am 34 years of age. I am a married. I have one daughter. She is 9 years of age and I am a high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my family needs and to earn money for my daughter's study.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes ma'am, I have working experience in ex-Kuwait for 2 years and 5 months and ex-Bahrain for 2 years and 1 month.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities are taking good of the children, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, going to market, and also cooking.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, madam, I took care of children. 11 years old, 7 years old, and 4 years old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of the children?
I took care of children for bathing, feeding, also assist them for their homework, and sometimes play for them.
What are you okay? Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
My skills are washing clothes and iron, going to market, I can car wash also, and gardening.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Necessary for a domestic helper is I am a trustworthy, loyal, honest, and flexible.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi ma'am or sir, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am flexible, trustworthy, loyal, and honest. And I hope you choose me. And thank you and see you soon in Hong Kong.